Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Let's start your reading for Virgo. Pa-comment na lang dyan sa baba guys. Pa-heart. Madam P, yun yung Facebook page namin. Pwede kayo magpabook ng reading ngayon doon. Let's start. What do we have here for the sign of Virgo? Okay. Thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. You do have here the Five of Pentacles. I see meron ka mga problem ngayon, financial problem, Two of Pentacles. Medyo mahirap siyang ayusin. Yeah. And the Page of Cups, I feel like it's your fault or eto ha, yung iba sa inyo pwede naging immature kapag dating sa pag-handle ng iyong finances or the Page of Cups, this could be your child or if you have child or bata sa family nyo, pwedeng isa sila sa naging dahilan kung bakit ito ay medyo nagka-problem ka financially. So, yung iba sa inyo, ikaw mismo naging immature. And, yeah, take only what resonates ha. Page of Swords is here. Yeah, this could be child or children. Or ikaw, maybe you have hobbies or yung iba may kinalaman sa bata. So, yung iba nanganak, pwedeng ganun. So, that's why naging isa sa dahilan na nagkaroon ng problem with regards sa finances because yung sa pag-anak mo. Basta may kinalaman sa child, kung wala mang bata, is yung pagiging immature mo. Okay? So, ngayon, kailangan mo ng tulong, but with the Five of Wands, I feel like there's a lot of away or pagkakagulo. So, parang wala rin masyadong tulong na naibibigay sa'yo or wala rin mga taong tumutulong sa'yo ngayon. Kung meron man, hindi enough yung tulong na naibibigay nila. Person na kakonect mo, sino to? Pagdating sa love, person na kakonect mo. Pagdating sa love, person na kakonect mo. Pagdating sa love, spirit guides, angel guides. Pagdating sa love, sino tong person na kakonect mo? You do have here the Four of Pentacles and the Eight of Swords. Okay. One more card. Sino yung person na kakonect mo? One more card. Okay. The Justice card. This is Libra energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Libra energy is also here. Okay. Person na connect mo, I feel like this person could be stuck ngayon with the Eight of Swords pagdating sa kanyang sitwasyon. Maybe may kinalaman sa career. Or you could be dealing with someone na already married or in a relationship. Justice card. Four of Pentacles. Medyo may lihim. Okay. Some of you, this is a secret admirer. May lihim na pagtingin or pagkagusto itong person na to sa'yo. With the Two of Wands. Parang may mga plano itong person na to. Knight of Cups, pwede may kinalaman sa pagta-travel. Nakakaamoy ako ng parang amoy sasakyan. So, ano emotion ninyo sa isa't isa? Wait lang. Okay, sorry about that. Naglag yung phone. So, what will happen? Emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. Three of Cups. Oh, this could be a person in the past. Gusto mo makipag-reconcile. Queen of Pentacles. Yung iba naman sa inyo, maybe, pagdating sa friends, medyo magulo. Yung circle of friends mo or you do have friends na parang magugulo sila masyado. So, with the Queen of Pentacles ngayon, mas importante sa yung stability mo, career mo. Ayan. What I see here is that you're protecting your power. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo gusto talagang bumalik sa past. I'm seeing a past energy here. Gusto mong bumalik sa past. Gusto mo ipag-reconcile. Pero yung iba naguguluhan. So, who is this person? Yung emotion naman pala niya. Kukunin natin, sorry. Yung emotion naman na person na kakunin ko. Ano emotion niya sa'yo? Anong emotion niya sa'yo? The Star. 7 of Cups. May one more card. Knight of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aquarius energy. Emotion niya sa'yo. Gusto ka niya. The Star is here. Parang you are his or her wish fulfillment. Gusto ka niya, pangarap ka niya. Gusto niya, pangarap niya makapag-offer ng emotion sa'yo, ng love sa'yo. This person is always daydreaming or dreaming about you. Pangarap niya magkaroon ng marriage or mas deeper na level ng commitment sa inyo. Oh, this person is obsessed. Obsessed siya sa'yo. There could be a third party na involved dito sa connection. Or marriage, yan. You could be dealing with someone who is already in a relationship. So, what will happen in the near future sa inyong dalawa? Four of Cups. 10 of Pentacles. King of Wands. Anong solution dito? Wait lang guys, may nalaglag. Ace of Swords. Clarify the Ace of Swords. The Devil. In the near future, I can see new beginnings para sa'yo. Pwede may kinalaman sa money. Or maybe business. Yeah. The Devil is here. Clarify the Devil. The Devil is clarified by the Two of Swords. Kailangan mong makinig sa kung ano yung desisyon ng iba. This is Capricorn energy. Maybe someone na mas mataas sa'yo, mas head sa'yo. You should listen to these people, this person. The Four of Cups. Pwedeng may mga stress or problema. Well, problemado ka na nga ngayon, di ba? Pero in the near future, I can see continuous, unfortunately, continuous ng problema. Pero, there's a new beginning for you pagdating sa, yung iba sa negosyo. And parang kailangan mong makinig sa advices sa'yo, especially ng mga taong nasusunod sa'yo. Parang wala kang choice kundi sumunod sa kanila. Maybe a boss or, father figures or what. Pagdating sa person na kakonect mo na, I can see awakening. Especially sa area ng home mo. Pwedeng may mga ma-realize siya. And especially pagdating sa'yo. I can see a lot of awakening here. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.